In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Rode PodMic to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting your Rode PodMic to your iPhone is super simple. This is going to primarily depend on which model of the Rode PodMic you have. If you have the most modern version of this microphone which features a USB port, then it is going to be incredibly simple because it is a direct connection. But if you have the older version that only supports XLR, then it is going to require a little bit more setup. I'm going to talk about the USB version first because it is the most modern one. In this case, you locate the USB port on your Rode PodMic and you plug it into your iPhone, primarily using a USB-C cable. So you plug one end of the cable into the Rode PodMic and the other one goes into your iPhone. If your iPhone has a Lightning port instead, then you will use a USB-C to Lightning cable instead. Basically, just look at the charging port, see which cable you need, and establish the direct connection between the PodMic and the device. There is no secret here. Like I said before, this is going to be the most modern model of the Rode PodMic. Now, if you have the older model which only features an XLR port like this, so no USB anywhere, then for this version, you will need an audio interface. You will use an XLR cable to connect the microphone to the interface. So you plug one end of the cable into the mic, the other one into the interface, and then using the USB cable that I mentioned earlier, or Lightning, depending on the model of your iPhone, you will bridge the connection using the interface. So you will plug one end of the USB or Lightning cable into the interface and the other one goes into your iPhone. So you will need to use the audio interface as a bridge if you only have the XLR option available. If you have the modern model, a simple USB cable will suffice. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.